Hello guys, Price and Shine. This is here Pushparaja from Space Tech. Today we are going to see about unboxing video of an HP laptop which is around 29,000 in Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Let's get started. This is the box we have got it from Amazon. It simply contains a laptop and a charger and a manual, but it doesn't contain a bag. Now let's see the specs. First of all, it is a Ryzen 3 processor 2200U at 2.5 GHz and a turbo 3.4 MHz. It contains a 4GB RAM DDR4 at 2400 MHz. It is also supported with M.2 slot. It contains a 1 TB hard disk 5400 RPM. When it comes to display, it is a 15.6 SVGA display HD. It is a pre-installed with Windows 10 Home. Graphics is a Vega 3. Battery for heavy users, it almost withstands 3.5 to 4 hours with fast charging support. Now let's see the ports available. It contains a USB 2.0 port and it contains a USB 3.0 2 ports, and it contains one HDMI cable port, and it contains one Ethernet cable port, and it is supported with SD card support. It contains one DVD drive, and it contains a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support. Then it contains a VGA front camera. It is a below average camera. We have seen the unboxing of the laptop. Now switching on the laptop. The keyboard and trackpad is very smooth. After first booting, the display look like this. The display quality is an average because it is a budget laptop. Now we are going to see about the front camera. It takes more time for opening the front camera. We took a pic. It is in below average. Now let's check the audio quality. Okay guys, this is the video. The laptop performs well in day-to-day tasks. It also withstands heavier tasks too. Then it also supports PUBG medium quality. Now let's see the quick rating of the laptop. First for display, it is around 3 for 5, and it's for performance. The performance is good, so we are giving 4 out of 5. Then sound quality. The sound quality is good, but it's a medium level for us. So we are giving 3 out of 5. Then for price to performance ratio, it is around we are giving 4 out of 5 for price to performance ratio. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. See you soon.